Hey, wellness seekers! Have you heard about the golden spice that's taking the wellness world by storm? Yep, it's turmeric. Today, I'm going to share the top 10 benefits of turmeric and how you can easily add this powerhouse to your daily routine. Let's get started. First up, turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce inflammation, which can ease joint pain and improve overall health. Next, it boosts your immune system. Thanks to its active compound, curcumin, turmeric helps keep those nasty colds away. Number 3, it aids digestion. Turmeric stimulates bile production, making your digestion smoother and more efficient. Fourth, it promotes heart health. Regular intake can lower bad cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation. Fifth, turmeric is a fantastic antioxidant. It fights off free radicals, helping to prevent cell damage and aging. Sixth, it supports brain health. Studies have shown that curcumin can enhance memory and even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. Seventh, it can improve your mood. Turmeric has been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. Eighth, it helps manage weight. It can boost metabolism and assist in fat loss. Ninth, it can enhance skin health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help clear acne and improve your complexion. And finally, it supports liver health. Turmeric can help detoxify your liver and improve its function. So, how can you incorporate turmeric into your daily life? Easy. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie, sprinkle it on roasted veggies, or enjoy a warm cup of turmeric tea. You can even find turmeric supplements if you're on the go. There you have it. 10 amazing benefits of turmeric and simple ways to make it a part of your routine. Give it a try and let this golden spice transform your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more wellness tips. See you in the next video.